Imagine logging into your account one morning and seeing 2 million. Not from winning the lottery, not from a crazy side hustle, but from a simple investing plan you started years ago. Today, I'm revealing my $2 million retirement plan, step by step, so you can copy it and start building your financial freedom today. If you've ever wanted to retire rich and stress-free, stay with me till the end because this plan could change your future. Welcome back to Core Self Finance, where we teach you how to make your money work for you. A $2 million retirement is not a dream for the rich. It's a math formula that anyone can follow with smart investing, passive income, and time. Let's break down the plan into 5 simple steps.
First, know your freedom number. If you want $2 million by retirement, you need to calculate how much to invest monthly, how long to invest, what return you expect. Here's the truth. Time and consistency matter more than big money. Even $500 a month at 10% annual return grows to $2 million in 30 years. Start small, stay consistent. To grow $2 million, you need the right vehicles. My plan focuses on 1. Dividend stocks, companies that pay you cash just for owning shares. 2. Index funds and ETFs, diversified baskets like VTI, SCHD, or VU that grow steadily. 3. REITs, real estate without buying property, giving you passive rental income. These investments compound your wealth while keeping risk reasonable. The secret to $2 million wealth isn't timing the market, it's time in the market. Automate your investments so your plan runs while you sleep. Set automatic transfers to your brokerage. Reinvest all dividends to compound faster. Avoid panic selling. Your future self will thank you. Remember Warren Buffett's rule. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. To reach $2 million faster, add fuel to the fire with passive income streams. Covered calls for extra stock income. Side hustle profits funneled into your investments. High-yield savings or T-bills for safe returns. Every extra dollar reinvested could shave years off your retirement timeline. Finally, the hardest part of this $2 million plan is sticking with it. Avoid emotional decisions during market dips. Review your portfolio yearly. Focus on the long game. Wealth grows quietly and suddenly. Protecting your investments is as important as building them.
Here's the truth. $2 million isn't just a number. It's freedom. It's the ability to wake up and choose how to live your life. If you start today and follow this plan, your future self will thank you. If this video gave you clarity, hit like, subscribe to Core Self Finance, and comment your retirement goal below. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight, but it is built while you sleep.